Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We'll continue with control statements. The next statement we'll discuss is do while statement. It's a iteration kind of statement. It is used to repeat some statements again and again. Its working is almost similar to while statement. Now let's see the syntax for do while. We write do keyword, then in curly brackets we enclose multiple statements to be repeated, and at the end we write while with some condition. And please notice there's a semicolon at the end of while condition. So again, the program will repeat this part again and again, the statements parts repeatedly till condition is true. But you can check over here as the program will start working from top. When it reaches do statement, there is no checking at the beginning. Program will directly enter into do loop, execute the statements once, and then check the condition. So first time when it works, there is no condition checking. After it works for once, then the condition is checked at the end. If it is found true, then it will go up, and from curly brackets it will again start working with the statements. Again the checking is done. If it is true, again it will go at the top of the loop, again it will work with the statements, and this will be repeated till this condition is true. So let's take an example to understand this. We write do curly bracket while I want to repeat some statements, let's say 3 times. So you can simply define some integer a variable as a as 1. I'll make, let's say, a plus plus over here, and write some statements here. Let's say printf a slash n, and let's say printf b slash n. And here in while I'll put a condition a less than equal to 3 and semicolon. Now how this entire thing is going to work? Initially a will be set to 1. Program will enter this do statement without checking any condition, and straight away printf a will work. Then a plus plus occurs, a becomes true, printf b works, and then the condition will be checked over here is a less than equal to 3. Since it is true, program will jump up and execute the statements one after the other. So again you output a, then a plus plus occurs, a becomes 3, printf b works, b output, then it checks for the condition, again the condition is true, so it jumps up, again execute the statements sequentially. It will output a, then a will change to 4, again printf b will work. We'll come to this stage, check the condition. Now this time a less than equal to 3 is false, so the loop will stop, and program will proceed further with some other statements. So that is how we can use do while statement to repeat some statements again and again. It is almost working as while statement only, with the one major difference that at while we check the condition at the beginning, and if that condition is false at the beginning only, the loop will not proceed further. The loop will not do any task, and program will just jump out and go down. But in this case, whatever the condition may be, it is checked at the end of the loop. So at least once this part is going to work, and then the condition is checked. Say for example, if this a was initialized as 10, we actually wanted to do this 3 times. But if a is 10, then this should not work for 10 once also. But in this case, let's see how it's going to work. Since a is 10, it will just enter into the loop because there is no condition checked. Printf a will work, a plus plus occurs, a which is 10 will change to 11, printf b will work, they will check the condition is a less than equal to 3, false, and the loop will stop. If it was a while loop where we write condition at the top, and if a was 10, then the condition a less than equal to 3 would be false at the beginning only, and the loop will not proceed at all, and there won't be any working of while loop. So that is a major difference between while and do while. Now when to use while statement and when to use do while statement. When you want to do some statements at least once and then check the condition what has happened in the previous statements, and accordingly take the decision whether should we continue with the statements or stop the statements, we use do while. And in case of while, it is like if some condition is true, then only the loop should proceed. Then in that case we write while, because condition should be checked at the beginning only. Thank you.